Hey, this is Kim from Ocean Vayu Yoga. I wanted to show you my 3 favorite stretches. So if I don't have time to do yoga, this is what I do in the morning. We start with our feet hip-width distance apart. Engage our core by pulling our belly button in, hands by your sides. Flip your palms to face away from you. Now inhale as you push your hips forward, reach your arms as far back behind as you can, gazing up, arms reach up, and exhale. Hands come down to your heart, drop your chin. Again, with your legs engaged, kneecaps up, push your hips forward. Inhale, reaching your arms all the way up, gazing up, and exhale. Hands come down to your heart. We'll do 3 more. Inhale. And exhale. 2 more. And exhale that breath out. Last one. Inhale. Push those hips really far forward. Reach your arms high. And exhale. Hands come down to your heart. Drop your chin. Take a nice deep breath. Exhale it out. Next one. Inhale. Arms straight up. Right hand grabs left wrist and reach your arms all the way over to the right. Push your hips to the left. Take 3 breaths as you gaze up. 3 breaths as you gaze down. Right back up to center, big stretch. Exhale to a cactus. So cactus arms, push your hips forward. Inhale, arms back up. Now left hand grabs right wrist. Push or pull yourselves over as you push your hips to the right. Gaze up, 3 breaths. Gaze down, 3 more. Inhale all the way back up, big stretch, thumbs point back behind. Exhale into your cactus, lift your heart, push your hips forward. Inhale, arms up. And our last stretch, take your feet a little bit wider. We're gonna fold all the way down. Now you can have your hands on your knees, your thighs, your shins, or fingertips to the floor. We're going to just pedal out our knees. Right knee bends, left knee bends, back and forth. Wherever your hands reach is where you are. And then we're going to pause with that right knee bent, left arm comes up to the sky, a nice big twist as you gaze up, and exhale, switch. Left knee bends, right arm reaches high. Exhale, switch. Inhale, and exhale. You can do as many of these as feels good for you. I'll do 1 more here. And exhale, roll your spine all the way back up. Reach your arms up, 1 more big stretch. And exhale, hands come down to your heart. There you go. My 3 favorite stretches to do when I don't have time for a full yoga session. Thanks so much. Peace and love.